Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off your headlights on your Mercedes-Benz car. So as you can see, I'm sitting on the driver's seat here, and in order to control your headlights, what you need to do, you need to look here at the driver's side. When you look just below your steering wheel, you will see these options here, right? You can see right now my car is in auto mode. That means my car will automatically turn on or off the headlights when it senses darkness, right? Now, if you want to do it manually, what you can do, you can just rotate this to the right hand side, and this is the option for manually turning on your headlight, right? So when you turn this to the right hand side, this is the option for the headlight. When you just move it to the left hand side, this is the option for the parking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just rotate this wheel to the manual headlight option. And how do you know that your headlight is on the screen? You can see this green light option, right? So this green light option means that your headlight is on. Now, if you want to have the option to have the high beam, then that option is here, right? So when you just move it forward, then your high beam is on, and this option turns from green to blue. If it's blue, then the high beam is on. And when I just move it back, so let me just press it back here. When this icon turns green, then the normal headlight is on, right? So just move it forward for the high beam and move it backward for the low beam. Now you also have the option here to enable the fog light. So this is the option for the fog light. So when I press on fog light option here, you will see this yellow icon which is appearing, right? So when I press the fog light once again, let me press it in the background, and that yellow light is gone. And when I press it once again, that yellow light is once again on. That is the indicator for the fog light. So let me switch it off. And then when you want to increase the intensity of the light, this is the wheel for that, right? So when I move up, the intensity goes up. When I move down, the intensity goes down. Okay, so these are the few options for turning on or off the headlight manually. What I generally prefer is I make it auto always, right? So Mercedes-Benz detects the environment around the car and turns on or off the light automatically, so I don't need to do anything, right? So I moved it to the manual state. So that's how you can turn on or off the headlight on your Mercedes-Benz. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.